It's the laundry toss game. Woo! This is how you get the laundry done without being bored. Good physical exercise. It is a hole-in-one. Great job. And our next contestant. Woo! Oh, that was really good. Ooh, wow, you're getting better at this. Wow, you're the champ.
Oh, gee, thanks.
We're gonna have to give you a trophy. Wow, you're getting a lot better at this, Carolyn. Look at that.
I mean, it was like I'm doing ballet.
Ballet.
Yeah, that's the movements.
I'm telling you, my shoulder would hurt if I was doing that. You're doing a good job. I don't know. Some of that stuff looks like stuff that you didn't even wear. Oh, you meant that one was kind of big.
Yeah.
Yeah.
To make the handle.
All right, where's the next one? Ooh, what? You're getting sloppy here. What happened? I'm gonna have to take your championship belt away. Oh, there you go. That was good. Yeah, if the pieces are too big, you gotta kind of ball them up. Ooh, good job with the sock.
Oh,
It's good enough. Just throw the next one in. It'll get in there. I'll make sure they're all the way in before you put the money in. Woo! Maybe if you could do it without missing it any at all, the machine would let you do your laundry for free. That would be nice, wouldn't it? You'd get a lot of people that got good at tossing laundry. Woo!
Oh, shoot, look over there.
Undies. Yeah, they're in there. As long as they're in enough to close the door. Oops.
Oh, shoot.
Sorry, sock. Try again. Oh, what the heck? That is an uncooperative sock.
I don't know.
Come on, sock. Get your butt in there. Very good. Very good. Very good.
That's a weak shot. Don't look at it.
Yep. There you go. Don't too many at once. Oh, very good. Very good. That's the kitty cat shirt, right?
Mm-hmm.
I love that shirt. Oh. That didn't do it.
I know what the heck I'm doing.
There you go, blind girl. There you go. Perfect.
Oh, shit.
Oh, that was pretty good. It went in there. It was just hanging out a little bit, trying to keep busy, hanging out.
Very funny. Whoa.
Whoops. Another day on the floor at the laundry room. Woo! You still have some in there? Oh, you're stepping on a sock, Mindy.
Oh, I didn't see it now.
I see some socks in there, and I see a sock. I'll get the sock. Let's see if I can do it. I'll do it left-handed. Ready? Woo! Yay for me! Oh, very good. This is your exercise for this evening, I guess.
Whoa.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs.
Knock, knock. Who's there? Banana, who's?
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Boo-hoo.
Who's what?
Why are you crying?
I don't know. I'm not coming.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Boo-hoo.
Who?
Why are you crying?
Very funny. Hello? That's the thing.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, so I put the dryer sheets in there already. Okay, you want to shut the door? The final thing of the laundry toss game is to get the quarters in the hole accurately so that they register on here. Let's see. Oh, is it getting? Nope, wrong hole.
Oh, God.
Oh my God, she's getting it. There she goes. Woo! Championship quarters. Oh, see? Another championship quarter. Let's see. Woo! One more. Two more. Oh, three more. Here she goes. Look at that. She's going to town. She is really racing in there with those quarters. 1, 2. One more to go. Let's see. Can she come around the pass? Woo! She made it. She made it. Okay. Let's press that green button and we are off to the races. Woo! We did it. Good job.
Go by, hey,